Welcome to Tech Leveler. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone iOS 17. So the first thing you want to do is head into your settings. Within your settings you want to come down and then select General. Within General you want to go right to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You want to go into that. Now we're here, you want to erase all content and settings, the very bottom option. Now here it'll tell you erase this iPhone. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. So if you're happy with that, you want to press continue. You'll then need to enter your passcode for the iPhone, and then you'll have safely factory reset the iPhone on iOS 17. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.